Welcome back to our second session. In my previous class, I have done with the first three paragraphs of Strong Roots by APJ Abdul Kalam. Today, I will continue with the next two paragraphs. So get ready with your text and other pencil and highlighter. Come to the text. I normally ate with my mother. Underline. Sitting on the floor of the kitchen. So, Dr. Kalam, being the youngest of four brothers and one sister in his family, was much attached to his mother. He used to take his lunch with his mother sitting on the floor of the kitchen. She would place a banana leaf before me. This is a South Indian culture. Those people eat from the banana leaf, on which she then ladled. Underline. Here, ladle is a verb. If it is a noun, that means a spatula, চামচ, বড় হাতার মতো। আর ল্যাডেল ভার্ব হয়েছে মানে সার্ভড উইথ আ ল্যাডেল, হাতায় করে পরিবেশন করা হচ্ছে কলা পাতার ওপরে। হাইলাইট, রাইস অ্যান্ড অ্যারোম্যাটিক সাম্বার, a variety of sharp homemade pickle, and a dollop of fresh coconut chutney. This portion should be highlighted and learn this portion. Question will come. With whom boy Kalam took his lunch? Where did he take his lunch? What was he served in his lunch? These type of questions may come from this portion. So learn the whole paragraph. Here, what are the menu? What is the menu? Rice and aromatic. Aromatic mane flavored. Sugandhi, sambar. Sambar is a South Indian variety of cooked dal. Sugandhi, দক্ষিণ ভারতীয় রীতিতে রান্না করা ডাল। A variety, বিভিন্ন রকমের, sharp. Here sharp means very sour and very hot. খুব টক, খুব ঝাল, এরকম। Homemade, বাড়িতে বানানো, pickle, আচার। And a dollop. Dollop means এক দলা of fresh coconut chutney. তাহলে what did Dr. Kalam have in his lunch? He used to have rice, aromatic sambar, a variety of sharp homemade pickle, and a dollop of fresh coconut chutney. Learn this portion well. Next, come to the next para. The Shiva temple, which made Rameswaram so famous to pilgrims. New word, pilgrims, তীর্থযাত্রী, especially the Hindu pilgrims. The Shiva temple has made Rameswaram a sacred place, a holy place to the Hindu pilgrims. People from different parts of India visit this temple to offer their prayers. This temple was, underline, about a 10-minute walk from our house. In my previous class, I asked you to learn the residential address. Dr. Kalam lived in a house situated in the Mosque Street, and the Shiva temple is a 10-minute walk from the Mosque Street. So there is a picture of communal harmony. The Shiva temple is near the Mosque Street. The two main religious communities of India, they are living in a harmony, in peace. That is highlighted in the next portion. Our locality was, underline, predominantly, chiefly, mulato, Muslim. So the locality is mostly with Muslim population, but there were quite a lot of Hindu families too. পাশাপাশি বেশ কিছু হিন্দু পরিবারও সেখানে থাকতো। লিভিং আন্ডারলাইন অ্যামিকেবলি, অ্যামিকেবলি মিনিং কর্ডিয়ালি, ইন আ ফ্রেন্ডলি ওয়ে, খুব সুসম্পর্ক। মুসলিম কমিউনিটির সাথে হিন্দু কমিউনিটি, তাদের সুসম্পর্কের কথাই এখানে বলা হয়েছে। People of the two main religious communities lived there in harmony and peace. Dr. Kalam here points out the peaceful coexistence of two main religious communities of India. He also gives the message of unity in diversity here. Living amicably with their Muslim neighbors. There was a very old mosque in our locality. So, you know why the street is named Mosque Street. There was a very old mosque in that vicinity, where my father would take me for evening prayers. Boy Kalam, along with his father, used to go to the mosque for namaz, evening namaz. I had not the faintest, underline faintest means minimum, nunotamo, idea of the meaning of the Arabic prayers, underline chanted. Chanted মানে কিছু সুর করে বলা, মন্ত্রোচ্চারণ করা। তাহলে নামাজটা কোন ভাষায় পড়া হয়? অ্যারাবিক, আরবি ভাষায়। Dr. Kalam's mother tongue is Tamil, but the prayer was uttered in Arabic. So, he could not understand the actual meaning of the prayer or namaz. ছোট্ট কালাম অ্যারাবিক জানতেন না, তাই তিনি বুঝতে পারতেন না প্রার্থনায় মন্ত্রের ভাষা তিনি মানে অর্থ তিনি বুঝতে পারতেন না। বাট I was totally convinced, মানে I had a firm belief, আমি মানে বুঝতাম না আমার প্রার্থনার, কিন্তু আমি নিশ্চিত ছিলাম দ্যাট, যে they, underline they, here they refers to Arabic prayers, namaz, reached God. কিন্তু আমি নিশ্চিত ছিলাম my prayer will reach God, God will listen to my prayer. বুঝতে পেরেছো এই অবধি? When my father came out of the mosque after the prayers, after the namaz, Zainal Abidin would come out with his youngest son, Boy Kalam. People of different religions, underline this portion, people of different religions. We have already known that in that locality, both the Muslim and the Hindus lived amicably in a friendly way. So, people of different religions mean the Hindus and the Muslims would be sitting outside the mosque, waiting for him. Now, this line, question from this line has come in the higher secondary examination of this year. Who are the people? Why were they waiting for? Whom were they waiting for? এই প্রশ্নটা বড় প্রশ্ন চলে এসছে, তাহলে তোমাদের বেলায় এটা আসছে না। But MCQ and SCQ may come from this section, from this portion. Many of them, underline, offered bowls of water to my father. People of different religions who were waiting outside the mosque, they had small bowls, ছোট ছোট বাটি তাদের হাতে, সেই বাটির মধ্যে জল। Who would dip, সেই বাটিটা যখন বাবার হাতে, জয়নাল আবদিনের হাতে দেয়া হতো, he would dip, dip, dip মানে immerse, ডুবিয়ে দেওয়া, his fingertips in them, তার আঙুলগুলো তিনি ওই বাটিতে ডুবিয়ে দিতেন, and say a prayer, মানে chanted something holy, কোনো মন্ত্রোচ্চারণ করতেন। Thus, the water was believed to be sanctified. এইভাবে সেই জলটা মন্ত্রপুত হতো, শুদ্ধ হতো। This water was then carried home for invalids. Here, invalids means the sick people, the old people, the invalids. This sanctified water was considered to be a panacea for the invalid. I also remember people visiting our home to offer thanks after being cured. So this sanctified water did a miracle. Those invalid people, after having drunk the sanctified water, they were cured and came back to Zainal Abidin to offer their gratitude, to offer their thankfulness. Father always smiled. When they came to offer their thankfulness to Zainal Abidin for being cured, he used to smile and ask them to thank Allah, the merciful. He used to say, no need to thank me, thank God, thank Allah. He is merciful. He has cured you. With His blessings, you have been cured. He used to say so.